Hi guys, first punch we're going to talk about is the jab. The jab is one of the most used punches because it sets up your other strikes and it's your lead hand. So it's the probe. It's setting up your distance and it's finding where the target is. So if you start off, this is what everybody thinks of as a jab, just extending your lead arm. But we're going to break it down into a few more pieces. The first one is locomotion. Locomotion is closing the distance. If you're actually sparring with somebody, you can't just hit them here. You need to close the distance. You need to step in. Usually it's taught as just a step and then you drag or bring up the back foot. We're going to talk about it as a force by pushing off the back foot instead of just stepping with the front foot. So instead of stepping and bringing the back foot up, you're going to push with the back foot. That's going to help with the locomotion, the power, the forward momentum you build up by pushing off of the back leg. So it's like this. The second part is the rotation. There's a rotation in the body. You rotate, and that helps to build power because the power of your punches really emanates from the rotation of your body. So we have the locomotion, we have the rotation, and then you have velocity. How fast can you snap out your hand from protecting your head to hitting your opponent? So when you put the locomotion and the rotation and the velocity together, it gives you a very powerful jab. So you can use your jab as just probing and keep it out there, or you can use it as a power punch. You push off, you get the locomotion, you get the rotation, you have the velocity. Rotation and velocity. Keep your other hand up the whole time. Okay guys, so this is what we're going to do, is we're going to actually see a demonstration now of shadowboxing with a jab. We're going to have these two fellas, Big Shane and Nick, my man. Shane Doherty, Nick Isofano. They're going to actually demonstrate the jab that we talked about. Okay guys, so we're going to do a quick demo now of what this looks like with live sparring. So we're just going to do a tit-for-tat drill. We call it a tit-for-tat drill. It's just you go, then your partner goes, on closing the distance with the jab. Okay, so guys, now we're going to take a look at the jab and what it looks like on a bag when you're landing with impact.